Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to use Alipay for secure payments? Let's set up and verify your account in a few simple steps. First of all, download the Alipay app. Enter your phone number and type in the verification code sent to you. Open the app, then tap Me icon to access the user center. Then go to Settings, then select Account and Security. Click Identity Information. Select your country and scan your passport or enter details manually. Fill in your gender, occupation, and address. Then verify your face for security. That's it. Your Alipay account will be verified soon, ready for smooth and secure transactions. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.